My name is Jason Howell. I'm the Executive Director of Recovery People, a nonprofit building a brighter future for Texans in recovery. Recovery from mental health and substance use is more than possible. It should be expected when people have access to the services and systems that support recovery. That's what Recovery People builds. Recovery needs more than hope. People don't just need the chance to recover. Without support, hope is a promise people are forced to keep alone. They need recovery supportive places to live, learn, work, and connect. People trained to support them. Organizations that can sustain services and policies that promote recovery and protect their rights. Although recovery is a personal journey, it's supported by an ecosystem. We build that ecosystem. Recovery People is a statewide, peer-led organization that's been strengthening recovery across Texas since 2009. We build what communities need for recovery to thrive. Recovery that is visible, valuable, and normalized. Peer leadership and workforce pathways. Strong local recovery organizations and quality recovery housing. Advocacy that protects rights, drives systems change, and expands access and opportunity, as well as research and standards that strengthen and guide the field. What does all this look like? A documentary series that shows that recovery is humanly possible. Peer-to-career programming that annually supports hundreds of individuals with thousands of hours in training and continuing education and hundreds of thousands of dollars in scholarships and resources, all towards employment, if not a vocation. It also looks like recovery organization programming that annually provides thousands of hours of education, coaching, and guidance, and accredits over 1,000 recovery housing beds across Texas that meet national best practice standards. It also looks like a network of over 1,000 provider organizations working towards shared goals. This is how recovery becomes real, not rare. Here's why your support matters. Most of our funding is tied to reimbursement. The work happens first, the funding comes later. That means donations are what keep everything flowing. Donations allow us to continue services without interruption, respond to urgent needs, and build innovative and long-term solutions. Your support doesn't just help Recovery People, it strengthens the statewide recovery ecosystem. In turn, you help make recovery possible for more Texans. Whether you're an individual, a foundation, or a business, you can support recovery year-round, give monthly, make a one-time gift, or make a leadership gift. Together, we can build recovery infrastructure across Texas. You may feel called to sponsor a specific program, or you may choose to partner with Recovery People as a whole. Either way, your support makes a meaningful impact. If you're interested in a single program, we invite you to support Humanly Possible, Recovery People's documentary series that shares real stories of recovery. Through storytelling, Humanly Possible shifts perceptions, reduces stigma, and inspires change. You can become a sponsor of the documentary series or support a premiere event, community screening, or storytelling that amplifies recovery awareness. Or join us as a mission-level partner. When you support Recovery People as a whole, you're not simply funding a single program. You're helping build the recovery ecosystem that Texas needs, one where recovery services are accessible. Peer workers are skilled, supported, and plentiful. Recovery organizations are sustainable, where communities can thrive and where recovery is expected. Give today, support recovery, strengthen communities, and help us build what lasts.